say this, but it's come from my heart. It's been a long time coming, but we done fell apart. Really wanna work this out, but I don't think you're gonna change. I do what you don't. Think it's best we go our separate ways. And tell me why I should stay in this relationship. When I'm hurt, then baby, I ain't happy, baby. Plus there's so many other things I gotta deal with. I think that you should let it burn when you're feeling it. To save your body, don't want to, but you know, gotta let go. Cause the party ain't jumping like it used to. Even though this might really burn, let it burn, gotta let it burn. Deep down you know it's best for yourself, but you hate the thought of a being with someone else. But you know that it's over, we knew that it's true. Let it burn, gotta let it burn.